my name is Helena and I'm a solution architect at Applanga. I would now like to show you how you can integrate Applanga into your iOS app. This video is aimed at iOS developers and will get quite technical. If you would like to see a general overview of our tool and its functionalities, please check out my dashboard demo video. But now, let's get started. To demonstrate the integration process, I will use our example app Mahlzeit. This is what it looks like, a simple collection of recipes. What you see here is the content we would like to localize. Let's look at the app in Xcode. It doesn't take much to prepare your code for the Applanga integration. For your app to be translatable, you simply need to put all strings into a .strings file and call ns_localized_string in your code to get them by their ID. If your app uses storyboards, they need to have localization enabled. Then, Applanga will automatically find any storyboard strings when you open a view. To integrate Applanga into your iOS app, you need to reference the Applanga framework. If you use CocoaPods, just open the pod file of your app and add pod Applanga. Then update pods from the command line to download the latest version of the framework. If you are not using CocoaPods, you can also get the latest version from GitHub. Now, if you rebuild your app, you'll see a reminder that you need to add an Applanga settings file. The Applanga settings file combines two features. First, it contains all the needed strings for your app to communicate with the Applanga backend. And second, it includes cached versions of all translations from the dashboard. This means that if your users ever find themselves without an internet connection, they will still have the latest localized content available. To get the Applanga settings file, you will need to log into your account and create an app. Let's call this one Mahlzeit. Press the Prepare Release button and simply download the Applanga settings file for your app. I'm going to just save it right here on my desktop. Add the settings file to your app folder and rebuild the app. If everything went according to plan, you should see the log message stating Applanga successfully initialized. This means the integration was successful. A few seconds later, you should also see the message Applanga updated missing translations. That means all found strings have been uploaded to the dashboard. Your strings will appear right here and are ready for translation. And that's it! You successfully integrated the Applanga SDK. From now on, whenever you add new strings or views to your app, they will automatically be synchronized with the Applanga dashboard. If you would like to see the tool in action, please check out my dashboard demo video. If you have any questions or require additional information, do not hesitate to contact us. Either write us an email or use the chat function within the dashboard. We will be right there for you. Until then, happy localizing!